Hello, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm kind of just going to go over what I've been doing and what I've developed so far for this second level in my game here. So I'm kind of going with a purplish theme, I think. I've got new trees modeled. It's going to just be kind of a desolate little landscape. I got a lot to fill in here, as you can see, so not much has been done. That mushroom is not even going to be part of it anymore because I'm not very satisfied with the model. So as you can see, I'm kind of going for more of a nighttime setting for this one, but trying to get the sky dark enough and everything so you could still see the character has been kind of tricky. But the models I've come up with here in Blender, so these are the trees. I think I only made 5. Pretty simple. If you'd like to see kind of how I've made these in Blender, I could do kind of some sort of tutorial. They're pretty simple, and it really wouldn't take much to put like some leaves on here or like clumps of like a 3D mesh to make it look like they're leaves. Over here is the mushroom, or one of the mushrooms I've come up with finally that I like, because it's been really hard to figure out a shape that I think looks nice. But I'm gonna make them have like spores on here that glow, because since everything is so dark, I kind of want things to stand out and glow a little bit. So here in the level, oh yeah, that's the other thing I've done. This fog now, it's volumetric. So you go down here, the fog goes with you. I don't have it as thick as I did anymore. There's lots of things that need to get cleaned up, obviously. But in this level, I'm gonna kind of do the same trail thing. There's gonna be a maze. That's gonna be some old rock walls somewhere, I'm thinking, in this map. This is gonna eventually be something where you have to activate these mushrooms and they light up and you jump onto the pattern, and it's kind of like a puzzle. And then there's gonna be another thing where you have to maneuver the shadows and lights to activate a door to get in there. So a couple more, a little bit more complicated puzzles. And then the boss I'm making, I haven't made any characters for this level, but he's going to be like a multi-headed mushroom guy. So kind of like a mushroom hydra, if you will. So nothing too crazy yet. Just getting started with a lot of basic things in here. But what I was going to show you as well, in the first level, it looks so much more like a level. Over here, I am still working on getting this area cleaned up. I gotta get colors into everything. I might even change this piece because I have some things saved in Pinterest that I really like. And then once that's done, I think this level is pretty much okay. Still deciding if I want to get rid of swimming completely, because right now I'm not satisfied with how my swimming looks. And then I think the last thing in this whole level here that I really need to get fixed is this guy. His AI, how he works sometimes doesn't work, and it's getting frustrating in that regard. But probably easy things, and I'm probably rushing a little bit, so yeah, about that. So anyway, we're pretty much wrapping up this level, getting into the second level, which hopefully should go faster because a lot of the things I've made for this one I can also use for the next level. So if there's any ideas, instead of doing like the envelope thing to do in this one with the mailboxes, there could be other things in the next level that could be kind of fun. You know, we're still gonna collect the runes to place that map as well. there's still gonna be enemies that I'm gonna have to start modeling, obviously. So a lot of the mechanics gonna be the same. Yeah, just a new environment, a little bit darker, a little creepy. Adds to the story of what the game is. If you haven't seen those videos, I have videos on what the game is actually about, so you don't have to kind of wonder on that. So if you like what you see, go wishlist it on Steam and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.